Hello everyone, it's 15th June. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have Bihar residents say expressway plan altered to spare by CM aids land. Moving forward, we have Israel hits Beirut. Trump says deal close. All sides should stand down. Relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have trade to AI. India, France set new targets. Modi Macron meeting plan to double trade in 5 years. Adopt innovation roadmap 2030. Again relevant for development as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have how low pressure aging pipes and leaks pollute capital's water. Again relevant for environment perspective. Then we have NCR draft plan 2041 up for approval. Conservation zones yet to be mapped. Again relevant for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have India, a tech provider offering global solutions. PM in France. Relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have India, China in talks over joint UNESCO domination for Zhuangzhang's work. Moving forward, we have Ladakh agreement hits roadblock over key omissions in fine print. Relevant for pollution perspective. Then we have make way for the Queen. Tripura eyes global status for state fruit. Again very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have our parts cities need to make every drop count, recycle water. Moving forward, we have G7 protesters set a Tesla ablaze, smash UN office windows. Then we have ending Ukraine war is vital. Trump tells Putin and Zelensky. Then we have Trump hosts White House cage, fight amid war, political scrutiny. Then we have Swiss should reject population cap in referendum, avoiding EU clash. Then lastly, we have Gaza death toll top 73,000 as Israel strikes despite ceasefire. All these news are relevant for international relations perspective. Going forward to the economy page where we have confident of India's long-term aviation growth despite shock. Then we have basmati rice export slips nearly 25% in March, April amid West Asia tensions. Then we have behind RBI's return to terrible 2013 idea to lift foreign inflows. All these things are relevant from economic perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have India's push beyond E20 fuel, reasons and pitfalls, relevant for economic perspective. Then we have why Trump is bringing UFC event to White House lawns, again relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have AN-32 Soviet origin transport aircraft, the IAF's workhorse, again relevant for defense perspective. Lastly, we have site of aspiration and exploitation, what India needs to guard in AI growth path, again relevant for artificial intelligence, science and tech perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.